Welcome back, guys. Here we are. The truck. Actually, you guys missed out on this because we really didn't show it.
Really filmed it all, dude.
No, because we were busy. So the truck is now painted. Let me get my hand out of the way. As you see here, now there might be a couple of little secrets about this truck now.
I was gonna say, does everybody know what happened?
No, how about you fill them in?
Well, so a week before the show, we were finally getting around to putting the front suspension into the truck, the lowering kit along with the new control arms and everything, right? And we got the first side apart, and we went to put in the lower control arm, and we realized that it wasn't fitting right, and for some reason it just wouldn't go in. So looking at it and then looked some more, and we happened to realize the front cross member had taken a hit where the control arm bolts to, and ended up shoving it back probably about quarter to a half an inch, but it was enough that you couldn't get the bolt in and aligned. So in the end, we found a little bit more rust in the cab and this and that, just kind of picking at it just because we were pissed off at the time. And we decided to get rid of that truck and managed to find somehow a whole two-wheel drive truck. It's already lowered, cab, single cab, short wheelbase, and it was a Silverado, but we ended up using our fenders, our box, the step side, and it was already lowered too. That's the nice thing.
So, Turbo's correct. We did use a different frame and a different cab. It has my box, has one of my doors and my front end on it. So I used the best parts of the two that I thought that I would like, and we put it in. So the other truck is outside, which I'll show you real quickly, and then we're going to pull in the transmission and the 6-liter.
And that was another good thing. The frame that we got was already set up for a 6-liter with the 4L ADE, which we already had,
So the drive shaft's already been modified. The cross member for the transmission's already been modified. This was a running and driving 6-liter that Buddy parted out that we got for, I don't want to say a good deal because it cost me $4,300, I believe it was, for the truck as a roller. I bought the fuel system with return line, pump, all AN fittings. I bought a Holley high rise intake manifold with the LS1 throttle body and the D-Link adapter.
the LS2 throttle.
Yeah, with the LS2. So it came with a lot of parts, but I also paid a lot of money for it. So I'm going to recoup the money by selling parts off the other one. I've already sold the box, tailgate, and roll pan, and this will get this one going this year. So here's where we're at with this. We'll show you the other one outside, and we're going to get the Cummins, the diesel pulled ahead, the Duramax. Get the 6-liter out, and we're going to get the tranny in this, and then Friday we're doing the motor, and then hopefully on the weekend I'll start fabbing up the turbo kit. So as you see here, there is the return line. The only downfall is it's right where the AC should be, and I don't like how it's ran that way, to be honest.
It's kind of stretching a little bit.
So we're going to change it up, and we're putting the AC in this truck because, let's face it, it's a freaking truck, and it better have AC.
Yeah, it's still going to be used as a truck.
So there's that. We'll show you the other truck outside, and we're going to get the transmission in. So as you see, it's actually dirty because it sat outside, and welcome to Nova Scotia weather. It actually snowed, so you'll see a little bit of dirt here and there.
Yeah, we're in our second winter right now.
But you'll see it is actually a very clean, bright blue truck. So there's that. Let's get that transmission in. This is what happens when you have too much crap. So you'll see there's a couple motors in here, transmissions.
Oh, we gotta shorten up our chain or something. That's as much as I got.
Is it off though? We can still drive it out.
No, it's not even picked up yet.
You sure?
Yeah. Not even. Oh, oil pan's still touching.
Doesn't look like it this side.
Yeah, it's typical.
Should be able to drive it out.
Shorten up our chain a little bit.
So we'll come back when it's out, save some battery on this. So here you have our 6 liter,
It is leaning.
6 liter donor. It came in an 05 2500 2-wheel drive, which is actually meant for the El Camino, but well, the 4L80 was meant for the El Camino. The 6 liter was meant for the turbo project. I do have 2. I have an iron block and an aluminum one. I got one out of a Denali that will be used for a backup if this one blows up, which is not the hope of this. So we're gonna move it around. We're gonna get it up. We're gonna get the transmission off, and then we'll probably record when we're in there doing the getting it all set and done. You don't really want to see us take bolts out, do you? But look at the Camaro.
Which one?
Turbo PT. Why is there a neon here?
What do you mean, why is there a neon? There's 4
Camaro
neons.
truck. And the yard needs to be cleaned up. Oh, there's the world's cheapest SHO Taurus back from Ontario. We'll get back to that in a different video. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah. As you see, transmission's in. Whoop, whoop. We'll leave it at that, guys. Stay tuned for the motor. Alright. So we are back. We got the transmission in. We got the cross member brace in. Transmission brace in. And we got the drive shaft in. And Jeff inspecting the yoke. It needs an actual yoke. So we will have to change the yoke so it's not tightened.
U-joint.
U-joint, I should say. So there we are. It's in. Today is Wednesday, which means Friday is motor. Yeah. Hopefully it goes as easy as this. Wasn't that bad, actually.
No.
So.
Consider we don't have a transmission jack.
Exactly. So actually,
it's a tight spot between there, but
didn't go too bad.
Yeah.
Hopefully the motor goes easy.
Yeah.
I'll leave it at that, guys. We'll probably do this in when we come back. We'll do the motor all in one video. I think would be the best bet. No sense of doing it in two. So when we come back, it'll be Friday.